Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C53 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll to find the display option. Now let's tap on the screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So relatively short options are at the top and longer ones more at the bottom. So basically all you have to do in order to set the timeout is to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 5 minutes. As you can see, it is marked, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.